What's up everybody? I got few parts for this unit and I'm going to fix it. Today I might have a little busy day, so I will try to get this one going fast. First of all, I'm going to remove this panel, and wow, I see some rust in here, and definitely you want to remove this little guy here. We need to be careful not to damage anything. I'm just gonna take my pick tool and I'm gonna come back. One moment. Alright, I'm back now, and let's get this sensor out. We don't want to damage anything here, and we definitely want this out as well, because it's really hard to work with this thing on the way. The way they put this, it's quite tight, this thing. Okay, I think I got it. Now hopefully I'm gonna get this one out. Okay, so I got the brand new pump for this unit. This pump is quite expensive now. Everything is went up in price. It's ridiculous. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to uninstall this pump, and then we're gonna test the actually I have to replace the boiler here too. The location of this pump is not very comfortable. The way they put the pump is kind of in the awkward position, but I'm gonna remove this screw here, and I will try to take the pump this way so it's easier to work for me. Let's see what we have here. So this is a nice unit, but sometimes I feel like Breville, they like to overcomplicate things. Like, look at this, and like they built like this special mount plastic piece for this flow meter. Either they have too much money or too many designers. I'm not sure what was the... And still, even with all this design, it's still hard to take the pump out. Okay, I think I got it now. Hopefully I'll put it back right. This is ridiculous, the way they make things. This is just to replace the pump, just replacing the pump. Okay, this part came off loose. What about this? Wow, that was easy. Come on, do it on this side too. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, almost. Now it's gonna come out, I think. Yeah. Alright, so we got this part out. I was waiting for this pump for almost 2 weeks. This pump is completely dead. Let's get the new pump back in, and I want to make sure I do it right. I think it sits this way, and this goes this, no, see, sits this way. Here you go. Guys, make sure you take pictures. I'm lucky that I'm mechanically inclined, but you know, if you guys do it first time, make sure you take pictures, because you might not remember what supposed to go. So take your time, no rush. Just so you know, those same manufacturers, they produce those pumps slightly different, like even this. Okay, so I got this in, and now I need the bottom piece. Goes, I think it goes this way. Yeah, and then this piece will go in, and let's see if I can. Electrical is connected, and this came out loose. Okay, let's try to put this all back together. I think now this has to go as well. Give me my ground. You don't need it. And this, it's like everything has to go and fit in the same time. Maybe let's put this one after. Let's put this first. Okay, perfect. And now this has to go in after. Perfect. Alright, I got it all in. And now this has to go all the way in. And the screw, if you remember, this one has to go in as well. And then the pump should be okay then. Okay, I think I got this. Yeah, the way Breville makes, like, it's quality for sure. Like, they make their product really good, but it's very unfriendly, like for the techs. Somebody who's doing the repairs, it's not friendly. And I think this has to go this way, and sorry, yeah, I think it's in place. Okay, now I have to replace one more component. This should be not really hard. This is the boiler, and I'm going to show you guys how I do it, and then we're gonna test it. Those machines are quite new. This is their new innovation, like Breville innovation. They made this printed, they call it printed thermal block something. This is the part number if you ever need it. Yeah, it's a printed heater. So they printed, I guess, but it's not plastic, it's metal, so it's printed. What I like in this heater is that it's heating up very quick compared to an old heater. I don't know, I don't have them here, but this one is heating up very quick. So this is the part number SP01000040. We got the pump installed, and now I'm going to install this element. I don't think I'm gonna need all the electrical connections. We might be able to kind of use the old connections. I just need to replace the actual heating assembly, and we're going to replace some of those O-rings. And this is the sensor right here. So let's make sure we're not messing up anything, and let's see. Well, you have some spider nets here. Yeah, this machine needs some love for sure, and some cleanup. We'll do it after. And so I'm gonna come back. I just need a shorter screwdriver in order to reach this part right here. Okay, let's get this upper panel out. I had some comments yesterday from somebody that thinks he's like a very good tech, and he told me that I have to put those screws in those balls like these, and he's right. But sometimes when I do it on the go, I how people notice everything, every little thing. It's crazy, like, you know. It's not that important. I mean, it's kind of important, but you know, it's okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I have to do here. Again, take pictures if you've done it the first time, but what I have to do here basically is removing this piece and replace this with this guy. Now I'm gonna show you how I do that. So first we're gonna remove this ground. And like I said, take pictures if it's your first time, and make sure you have this ball. Okay, you need this ball. I'm just kidding. If you don't have the ball, it's okay too, but it's better to have it. And make sure you check the screw size. You see, they're different, they're all different sizes. So this, you kind of want to mark them. So this is from the panel, the top panel, this is from the element. So make sure you do your homework or take pictures. And I think this one will go out in a second. Okay, so then the element, this piece, the bracket, there's nothing wrong with it. Okay, then remove those contacts, or sorry, contacts. You see how there's scale in here? It's very common to have scale. So what you really want, I'll see if I have those clumps in here. They might send it with the clumps. Yes, they did. So I'm going to replace this too. Yes, I will do that for sure. So it's actually good because I have the tool to clamp this. So there's two in and outs here. So this is in, this is out. Make sure you don't mess them up, and if you're not sure, mark them. So mark those in and outs. Okay, then what you have to do is take a picture, because now it's a crucial part. You don't want to mess up, and you want to, this connector you don't need because it's already here. And what you want to do, you want to copy pretty much all the wires and put them on this. I'm back now again. I have some spams, lots of spammers they call right now, so sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna take my needle nose pliers. I need to disconnect all these. Let's try it with this one. This thing doesn't want to come out. Wow. Why? Why it doesn't want to come out? Okay. Let's try the other side. And of course the other side will go out, will come out easy. Let's do it from this side. Boom. Came out, everything came out with the fuse too. Boom. Okay, I'll keep some of those parts. Now what you want to do, you want to start relocating the wires. This is the way I do it. You can take a picture if you like, it's up to you. I like doing it this way, it's easier for me, but you can do the way you like to do it. Boom. And here, and white, let's do this one. So brown goes first and then white goes next. So brown goes here and then your neutral goes in here. Boom. Okay, now this goes back in. Now we have to make sure it's all connected here, secured. Good job. And then put the screws back in to secure the elements so it's not dancing around for you. Start to secure it, make sure it's all nice and tight. See, that's not good, so you have to make sure it's tight like this. Then you go on the other side. And then last screw will go on the front. Oh, I lost the screw. So once you have all the screws in place, you put the ground. Don't forget the ground. I hope you know why if you're doing the repairs. Otherwise you're gonna feel very nice the short on your fingers. Don't forget this thermostat to just want to make sure that, yeah, they're the same, so that's good. If you don't have this clamp tool, I will show you which one. You don't really need to remove these L-shape connectors. This is an L-shape, this is just a straight one. But if you do, I recommend doing that just because they provided you, and because you see there's also scale inside, so you want to do it if you have the right tools. If not, then you maybe want to either leave it or maybe just get one tool from Amazon, and then you should be all good to go. I'm gonna come back and I'll show you the tool and how you remove these ones as well. I got my tool kit from Amazon. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but this is the brand, and this is the clamp kit. And then in the kit you have lots of those clamps, different sizes, shapes. If you're doing this for leaving, get one like this. Can't remember how much I paid for it. Maybe 20 bucks, 30 bucks, I can't remember, but it's worth every penny. There's a couple ways to remove it. You can either stick something inside like this and twist, or if you have a tool, like for example something sharp, you can lift this side up because it's like a lock here. I like to twist this and then from side to side, and it should come out. Sometimes they're stubborn, or I like to put something inside as well here, like a Sharpie, like this. You want to put it inside if you can. If not, then try to do it from the other side. See, it's a little stubborn. Let's see what I can do here, but it will come out. Let's try those needle nose pliers. Sometimes they do work. There you go. I think this works much better, but you have to play around with it a little bit because those clamps are not really friendly to remove. You might have a special tool for it. I'm not quite sure, but this is my way doing that. I know it takes a little force, but once it's out, like for example right now, it would be easy. So now I can take it out. So this one is out. Now you want to remove this piece right here, and now you take the new, and now before that you put this piece in like the clamp, and then you put this guy all the way in, and then you use your clamp to lock like so. Make sure it's tight like this. That's good. This side is good. What you can do, you can just put this side that you already there's like a seal here. Make sure you take the seal out. Put this in. There you go. Then use your clamp, the one right here. Boom. This side is good. Now we have to repeat on this side as well. Gloves. See, it's not that easy, but you know, once it's out, it will be good. Here you go. I think it's come out. Here you go. This one's out, and this one will come out as well. Boom. And now we put this back. This hose looks okay. O-ring is in place. Now we put this back in. The L shape hose will go back in, and this clamp, boom. Now we're gonna put this back inside. Boom. So this side is good. You want to visually make sure everything is connected, ground, everything, all the hoses are back in place. Don't forget to connect this piece back in like so. Once it's all back in, and let me just have my coffee. This will go back in here, and boom. Now I'm going to put this hose back inside, and I will, before I assemble it, I'm gonna test the machine to make sure it works, and I'll come back and show you the operation of the machine. Okay, I just want to show you a short video operation that this machine is all fixed up. So I'm gonna do double shot, you can see right here. And then single shot. This machine is all fixed up. I'm gonna just clean it all nice and it should be all good to go. I'll call the customer for pickup. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have any questions. You can comment below. Bye.